Have you ever started using a new software and immediately felt lost? No clear instructions, no guidance, just a complex interface and a steep learning curve? For employees and customers, this can be really frustrating. And for businesses, it can lead to low user adoption, increased support tickets, and wasted software investments. That's where in-app guidance comes in. It helps users learn by doing, providing real-time interactive assistance directly within the application. This embedded performance support enables end users with role-centric guidance as they complete tasks, helping to drive efficiency and maximize software ROI. In today's video, we'll explore what in-app guidance actually is, the different formats it comes in, when to use it, best practices, and why Whatfix is the ultimate tool for delivering seamless in-app experiences. In-app guidance refers to on-screen interactive support elements that helps users navigate and understand a software application without needing external documentation or live assistance. Think of it as a built-in training system that delivers step-by-step walkthroughs, tooltips, and pop-ups exactly when users need them. So, why is that important? Because most users don't want to pause their work to attend training or read long manuals. They want to learn in the flow of work, and in-app guidance makes that possible. While in-app guidance traditionally is thought to be a method for customer onboarding, it is also used to provide embedded workflow support for employees as they complete their tasks. In-app guidance isn't one size fits all. Different formats serve different purposes, and the best guidance adapts to the user's actual needs. Let's break down 8 key types of in-app guidance, starting with number 1, product tours, which are step-by-step interactive walkthroughs that introduce users to key features and workflows. Number 2, tooltips. These are small pop-up hints that provide explanations when users hover or click on a UI element. Number 3, hotspots, which are visual indicators that highlight new or important features, encouraging users to explore them. Number 4, onboarding checklists, task-based guides that help users complete essential setup steps to maximize product adoption. Number 5, smart tips and pop-ups, which are timely notifications that offer contextual advice based on user actions and their behavior. Number 6, self-help widgets, an always available help menu inside the app where users can search for FAQs, articles, or tutorials. Number 7, field validations, and these are small icons and pop-ups that are displayed as users engage with the form or enter data. It can let users know if data is entered incorrectly or if they missed a mandatory field. Number 8, surveys and feedback forms, which are in-app feedback tools that help companies collect insights about user experience and software adoption. Now that we know the different types of in-app guidance, the question is, when should you use them? Key use cases for in-app guidance. Software onboarding. Help new users get started quickly and reduce time to productivity. Feature adoption. Ensures users discover and adopt key product functionalities. Process compliance. Guide employees through complex workflows to prevent mistakes. Reducing support requests. Provide self-service guidance to decrease dependency on IT and support teams. And best practices for implementing in-app guidance. Keep it contextual. Guidance should only appear when relevant. Avoid overwhelming users with too many pop-ups. Make it interactive. Users should engage with the product while learning, not just read the instructions. Personalize the experience. Tailor guidance based on user role, experience level, or past interactions. Track performance and optimize. Use analytics to monitor user engagement and continuously improve the guidance experience for them. Whatfix takes in-app guidance to the next level, helping enterprises drive user adoption, software proficiency, and productivity without disrupting workflows. No code, easy to implement. Build and customize interactive experiences without coding. AI-powered personalization. Deliver guidance based on user behavior and their role. Omni-channel support. Provide in-app guidance across web, desktop, and mobile applications. Advanced analytics and insights. Track adoption, metrics, and user engagement to optimize training. Seamless integration. works with Salesforce, Workday, SAP, Microsoft Dynamics, and other enterprise applications. With Whatfix, companies don't just onboard users, they enable continuous learning and software mastery. In-app guidance is the future of digital adoption. It reduces frustration, improves productivity, and ensures that users get the help they need, when and where they need it. Software clicks better with Whatfix. You can visit our website to schedule a demo today.